Welcome to RX Pharma. Today we are going to discuss some questions which are important for the upcoming AIMS drug storekeeper and pharmacist exam. So this question will also be important for the coming GPAT exams. So the first question is, which one of the following drugs produce significant relaxation of both venules and arterioles? So the drug that relaxes venules as well as arteries: hydralazine, dioxazide, minoxidil and sodium nitroprusside. The correct answer is sodium nitroprusside. Sodium nitroprusside is the drug that relaxes both arteries and veins. The second question is, antiviral action of purine analog is primarily related to the following: inhibition of RNA synthesis, inhibition of DNA polymerase, immunomodulation, inhibition of viral penetration. So choose the correct option. So we have to choose which one is the correct option. The correct option is option B. Q is correct and S is incorrect. So the Q is inhibition of DNA polymerase and S is inhibition of viral penetration. So the antiviral action of purine analog is inhibition of DNA polymerase and inhibition of viral penetration. The third question is, which one of the following is a tyrosine kinase inhibitor indicated for a variety of malignancy? So which is a tyrosine kinase inhibitor indicated for various malignancies? Option A, imatinib. Option B, paclitaxel. Option C, ezetimibe. Option D is mitomycin. The correct answer is option A, imatinib. So imatinib is a tyrosine kinase inhibitor which is used for varieties of malignancies. Question number 4 is, which one of the following is the most likely positive sign of pregnancy when detected in urine? Option A, estrogen. Option B, progesterone. Option C, human chorionic gonadotropin. Option D is corticotropic hormone. So the correct answer is option C, human chorionic gonadotropin. So it is the most likely positive sign of pregnancy when detected in urine. The fifth question is, which one of the following are some opioid analgesics? So we have to keep in the respiratory depressant property of these agents. Which of the following has maximum respiratory depression properties? So the drugs are morphine, pethidine, pentazocine and fentanyl. So we have to arrange in the order of respiratory depression property. So the correct answer will be option D. So the order is, the maximum respiratory depression is caused by fentanyl, then followed by morphine, then pethidine and then pentazocine. So it is the order of respiratory depressant property.